Good morning. Testing. Is this recording? Yeah, okay. Hello. You might have noticed I'm not in the same hotel room. Well, I have a perfectly good reason for that. Google Calendar can be a great tool, right? So when I was booking my hotels and everything, I laid it all out to Google Calendar just to kind of like, lay out all the dates that I have to book the hotel in, scrapboard to kind of organize my trip, right? So what I didn't realize was England was 6 hours earlier, time zone wise. So I ended up not booking the accommodations for tonight. Mind you, I realized this as I was waking up yesterday at the other place. It's called Henry's B&B. Such a lovely place. It's so cheap, and the rooms, as you can see, is very, very nice. Henry himself is very nice. But anyways, I woke up at like 5 or so, looked at my calendar, and then realized, oh crap, I had to check out this morning by 11. So no shit, at like 5 a.m. I was on my phone having like a low-key panic attack, not knowing like what to do, or like if there's any hotels in Bath that could take some like last minute bookings. Thank God. Shout out to YMCA Bath. They came in clutch. I booked literally at like 6 a.m. and immediately at like 2 p.m. I was able to check in. So everything's kind of worked out. So luckily I had a place to sleep tonight, and the plan for today is to catch a train back to Tunbridge Wells and help my mate just to kind of like set up for the wedding. And Max, if you're watching this, me and Jason is super excited for you to start this new chapter in your life. And yeah, I think it is a blessing that you could find someone to spend the rest of your life with and to share your stories, to come home every night. I don't think I'm there yet, so super happy for you. Okay, one thing I do appreciate about this new hotel is it's so close to the city center. So it's only like a 2-minute walk to the city center. Plus it's sunny out and the temperature's so good. So I thought, like, you know what? Let's do a couple of architectural photography while I walk to the coffee shop.
Christmas will be swell this year. Good spouse. One who can perhaps reform him. Make him serious-minded. Could he ever be serious-minded? He must be. Oh, I wish I could bring him. Facts. I don't know. Christmas time is not talking so much. There's a time to go.
Come on. You got this. Okay. After I checked in here, I went out on the town and went thrifting. The thrift shop that I went to is so sweet. Like literally, I was like outside and then on the bus coming to the B&B in the other place like 2 days ago, and I saw this beautiful like used leather jackets, and I always wanted to like visit there and just kind of like explore because it's such a cute little place. I think it's called Jack and Danny's or something. Yeah, Jack and Danny's. And that lady working there, she's so sweet. She's literally like this gem. She's quite old, and like a lot of their clothing is kind of like up high in the hanger. They have a lot of clothing, leather jackets, jeans, just like if you can like dream of it, like she has it. So it's like this kind of like low-key, chill, rundown place-ish. I wouldn't say rundown. It has its charm, but like, it's so nice. Like the clothing there is so nice. And then I finally got the chance to go visit, and I asked her, yo, how much is like, I didn't say yo, but like, how much is that leather jacket outside? And I was expecting like, because it's like a genuine, like real leather jacket, right? I was expecting like, I don't know, 170 to 100 pounds. She said 15 pounds. 15! I ended up not taking it, not buying it, because I travel and I cannot fit like a 10-pound real leather jacket. I cannot fit a 10-pound real leather jacket there. The TSA would like arrest me for like, I don't know, animal trafficking or something. But I got like 3 sweaters, a pair of like vintage Levi's, and like 2 herringbone like wool jacket. I got that for ridiculously cheap. Like, you can't really find prices like that anymore. And shout out to Jack and Danny's. If you're ever in Bath, check them out. Sweetest lady in the world. She runs the shop on her own. And you know, she was like not expecting so many young people to come here, because like I don't think she's like very keeping in touch with the style lately, but like her shops and like the aesthetic just like unknowingly fits into like the current style, which is like super interesting to me. Like, she had no idea why, you know, so many young people are coming to her shop. But you know. And then like we had like a really good conversation about like how wasteful everything is, and then like, you know, she opened up about her life. It was such a nice like conversation with her. She's so sweet, you know. She's like this cute little lady running like a thrift store. I don't know. There's something so charming about it. Anyways, I gotta pack up, and I'll see you. I don't know where. Maybe Tunbridge Wells. Maybe a coffee place. Because I do need coffee right now. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit.